Hi, Brian. I want to tell you what I can do to see. I can turn this one to a link. Sometimes when you paste here, it won't be a bad idea to click at the end of this Y and click enter. By clicking enter, sometimes the link is being created. But let me show you as something, see what I can do. I have an edit button here. I click edit to see. Of course, I can delete it. I can click edit here, and then maybe I convert this one to a link. I click edit, and this is edited. And let me see if I have some type of link in here. Let me see what this one. This is Anchor, and usually link is shown like a chain here. And here you see the chain is here. Maybe if I highlight it, the chain will come. Here it is, the chain came up. I click on the chain and it says that where do you want to send the people? And let's see if it is coming. And the title. And do you see here is written Pat link? If I had pasted your link to here, then that would have created, let me see if I can go back and get your link. Here is your link again. I right click, click copy, and I click allow access. That's fine. Now that I did that, let's see if I can come here and I right click here and click paste and click insert. Maybe that solves the problem. And the link may not display correctly. Let me click OK. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at here. It turned to blue. I am going to click submit. Let's see what happens. Okay, maybe it solved the problem. Yeah, it did. Okay, I will teach you actually how to create a link in another. It follows the same thing. Maybe in Microsoft Word, I can while you are here. I'm going to.
Capability of functions.
Okay, let me close this. Okay, let me show you one feature of a Word. That way you learn how to create a link. Let me open a Microsoft Word document here. Here you go. This is Word. And after I click on Word here, and a screen pops up. And let's see why it didn't come up. That's okay. One more time. I click Word here. And this is Word. I don't know why it is not coming up. I open another page. Okay, here it is. It's coming back up. And here is a new page. And imagine that I want to send the people to Google. Okay, and then I click, I type here. Oops, let's see why it is not typing. Okay, click on me. Now imagine I want to send the people, if they click here, I want to send them to go to Google. I highlight this and then I am going to insert. Insert what? I am going to insert a link. Let me see where do I find link in here. And insert, maybe I right click on it. And do you see, it sometimes says hyperlink. I don't see anything written hyperlink. Here it is link. I want to insert a link. It is asking me, where do you want to link the people? What is the address here? I type http:// It wants to send the people to Eastern, but I don't want www.google.com. I want to send people to Google. And I click OK. Look how it turned to blue. And hopefully, if someone clicks on it, of course, it doesn't, if I click, it doesn't go. But if I bring my arrow on it, it shows the link behind it. Look, when do you see Google is there? If I want this one to send me to Google, I come here, click, I put my finger on control key and click enter. Look, it's trying to send me to Google because I created a link for it for Google. Let me see why it didn't. Okay, it is trying to go to Google. Look at here. It went, do you see? It opened Google. Anyhow, this is the way we create web designers sometimes. use these links to create link. Try to see if you can do that for yourself using Microsoft Word and with the video that you saw. But anyhow, I fixed the one that you put. And sometimes when you type a link, one time enter in your keyboard at the end. Once you paste it, click enter. Sometimes a blue line gets created. If not, then you have to use the feature. If you want to try it, you can send me, you can send yourself an email in Blackboard. Go and put a link and send yourself an email through Blackboard internal email and see how it works. And if it does, then you will learn how